You're eating with friends and your takeout only comes with chopsticks. What do you do? In this video, we're going to show you an easy chopsticks hack if you don't know how to use chopsticks. First, remove the chopsticks from the wrapper. Next, take a piece of napkin and fold it up into a block. Wedge the folded napkin between the chopsticks toward the back end. Now, wrap a rubber band around the ends of the chopsticks. There you go, you just turned your chopsticks into clamps. Alternatively, you can use a piece of napkin to assist if you don't have a rubber band. Lay the chopsticks end to end on the napkin. Roll the napkin tightly around the chopsticks. Now fold the chopsticks down. You're all set. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.